Can you all tell me, the topic today is methods in C sharp. Can you all tell me what is a method? What do you understand about method in methods? Forget about C sharp or Java or .NET. What is a method? Why do we need a method?
It is a function which does some actions,
It
performs some
is, okay. Anybody else? Prasanna, Ajmal, Amit, Rushi, Shikhar Raman, Surya Prakash, Syed Ubaid. Tell me, what is methods in C sharp.net? Why do we need a method?
It's a basically kind of an approach uh, with a set of steps used to like for a specific result achievement.
Okay. Anything else? Can I say it is used to maintain a logic in it? Anything. Example, add or save file or connect to DB or insert data to DB. These are all logics. These are all a common functionality. Insert data to DB. These are
Yes,
all a common functionality.
yes, sir.
So I want to surround this particular stuff. Okay, I want to surround add method within a file, within a method. Or you got my point? So anything, everything we write as a method, that method we are going to access. Correct me, am I wrong? Everybody clear? What is a method? A method which will help you to write a common logic. Common logic. Do you all agree with this point? Say yes or no.
Sir.
Without having a common logic, you cannot add or save or connect or insert. Clear? So now coming to method can be implemented in 4 ways. Method can be implemented in 4 ways. What is the way is method, first way is method without parameter and without return type. That is the first method we have to build. How do I need to build this? Now go to program. Okay, I'm going to close this program. Try to create a new solution. Create new project. Select console. Next, I say sample method. Okay, and fullstack.net, everything is there. Click create. Okay, go to remove sort using. Now here public, I'm going to have a method public. Don't do like this. Let's create a class. Okay, I'll tell you how to do that. Okay, I'm going to create a separate class called arithmetic. New arithmetic. I'm simply saying a method class called arithmetic. Will you all able to see this arithmetic? A class name arithmetic add. The arithmetic class is added or not? Say yes or no. I want answer from everybody. There are 12 people are there.
Yes,
I
sir.
want answer from.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I created a class. Now within the class, I'm having a public void add. You all understand what is the method? This method doesn't return anything, doesn't accept anything. Am I right or wrong? A method public void add doesn't return any value to outside, doesn't accept any value from the outside. How do I need to implement here? I need to write a common logic. How do I do that? Can anyone tell me? Please unmute yourself. I want everybody should unmute for a couple of minutes. Abdul, Deepak, Amir,
Yes.
Namrate, Rushi, Shekhar Raman. Shekhar Raman, where are you from? Surya. Shekhar
Yes, sir.
Raman. Okay. So now here in this add method, I want to accept anything. I want to return anything. I just want to print some message. I just want to print some message. Console dot write line. I say welcome to iTask Technologies. Is it the right place where I can use this method? Say yes or no. I'm not getting input to perform any operation. I'm not returning any input to the user. I'm just going to use only for a logic which you are going to build on that particular portion alone. Or you got my point? So that is why I'm using public void add console.writeLine. Welcome to iTask Technologies. Now tell me, you have a class, you have a method. Am I right? You have a class. Within the
Yes.
class, you will have a method. Now, how to access this class in program.cs file? How to access a class in program.cs file?
Using calling that method.
First, we need to create a memory for the class at runtime, and then you need to access the add method. Am I right or wrong? See, this is basically a class. Inside the class, I have a method. Okay, let's say paint. Assume I'm giving some example. Okay, here you will have a you are having a car. What you are having? What you are having? Tell me. You are having a car. Now tell me, what are all the common functionality of the car? Any car you take Shift, you take Hyundai, you take X, Y, Z, whatever it may be. What are all the common functionalities you are having in a car? Come on, answer.
Start, stop, acceleration, brake.
Steering.
Can I say acceleration? Acceleration, brake. Any other thing?
Clutch.
Clutch.
Horn,
Come again?
horn,
Gearbox.
Horn. Gearbox. Okay. So these are all the common functionality of any car. To access this car, can you call simply a car or can you call with some name? You are providing a name of Hyundai for this car. Am I right? I have a Hyundai car i10. I have a Shift, I have XYZ car, I have ABC car. Am I right? Say yes or no. You simply call a car or you are calling with the name. Say yes or no. Are you calling with a different name?
Yes.
Let's take an example here. I am having a Shift car. I am having a high 10 car. Okay. I'm having a Hyundai. I'm having some Zen car, whatever it may be. Okay. Now you tell me, Hyundai, when I call a car, can I'm going to call acceleration, brake, clutch, all those things, or you are going to call with the Hyundai?
Right.
The Hyundai.
Now tell me, Hyundai is representing a car.
Yes.
Yes.
Will Hyundai is representing a car? Will Zen will representing a car? Will Shift will representing a car? Will I-10 will representing a car? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, can I say technically car is a class? Why? Because I'm holding all the common functionality. Am I right? In a class, you are holding a common functionality or not? Yes or no? In a class, you are holding a common functionality or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Type of Shift as an object, I'm going to represent a car or not? Here, Shift is an object, I-10 is an object, Hyundai is an object.
Mhm.
Am I correct? Zen is an object. Yes or no? Shift is an object. I-10 is an object. Hyundai is an object. Zen is an object. This object representing a class or not?
Yes.
Well, the object is representing a class or not? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. I want answer from
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Yes.
It is access
So,
function. Yeah.
practically, what is a class? Before going to talk about this method, practically, what is a class? Can anyone tell me? What is class? Can you provide a definition for me based on your understanding?
Collection of
grouping.
methods and variables like that.
Forget about technical. Just by understanding the diagram, what is a class? Class
Class
can
is a
contain
collection of similar type of objects, properties.
collection. Class can contain
Variables,
basic
methods.
functionality of a car. Am I right?
Yes.
Without a basic functionality, can I call it as a car? See, without a brake, can I say car? Without a clutch, can I say car? Without an engine, can I say car? So, a car class should require a minimal requirement. That minimal requirement we are calling as a class. Now, what is object? What is object?
The representation of the class.
To represent a car. To represent a car with different names. Make sense?
Yes.
Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similar fashion, let's take an example. How many people are in the group? How many people we have in the group?
14.
Come on. Huh? How many people we have in the group?
14.
14. Can I say, hey human, hey men, hey woman? Is it possible to denote a person?
No.
Your legs, eyes, hands are common for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I say human is a class?
Yes, sir.
You all agree?
Yes.
How
Yes,
are
sir.
we going to differentiate a human?
By using name.
By differentiating with the help of name. Can I say name is an object for identifying a human?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you all understand what is a class and what is object.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Forget about technology. In your day-to-day life, you know what is class and what is object.
Yes, sir.
What is class?
That's just like design. Like, for example, fruit is a class, whereas apple, mango, banana, these are all objects because they represent the class fruit.
That is correct. Any other examples? Think and tell me. Anybody? I want different examples with respect to class and object. I want answer from you guys. Please answer it. Think and tell me. No problem. Based on my explanation, what is the thing which is coming into your mind? Rushi, Prasanna Kumar, Namrata, Das. Can you tell
Can you
me
tell me
what is a class?
what
Come on, guys.
is a collection
Am I
of
audible?
object like
Okay.
Come again?
Yes, audible.
Yeah, please go ahead. Abdul, you are trying to say something.
yeah, it is a collection of object name like that.
No. Forget
Object.
about collection of objects. Think about one real example. One real example.
Yeah, like electronic gadgets.
Okay. Electronic gadgets. Okay.
Yeah, which is a class. But if we go for object like mobiles, laptops, which represent.
That's correct. Anything related to electronic gadgets like
Laptop.
laptop,
Mobiles.
tab, mobile,
Yeah.
those are common because it required a hard disk, it required a memory,
Yes.
it required a power, everything. Am I right?
Yes.
So, electronic gadget is a class which we are denoting with different name by using an object. That is also a good example. But I'm getting another example because one of the student from morning batch, I got that answer. It was a fantastic answer. I will tell that. Try think. Can I say you want to create a doll? Okay, you want to create a doll. Okay,
Like an idea.
dice. Come again.
It's like an idea means uh, we can access through an object. I
Okay,
cannot explain in my way.
that's fine. See, it's all about you understanding things. Okay, my intention is I want you to be more clear
yeah,
on what is class and object. Okay,
yeah.
nothing more than else. See, the point here is
Yeah.
I have a die. If I have already prepared a die. Okay, if I pass a blue ink, it will become a blue color. If I pass a green ink, it will become a green color. If I pass a red ink, it will become a red color. Correct or not?
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So can I say dye is a class where a different colors are object? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's take an example. How many of you know Vinayaka Chavithi? Vinayaka Chaturthi is there, right? You all go and buy a Ganesh Baba, right? There is a die. They will pour sand and they will give you a Baba idol. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but a die. Die is nothing but a class. You are creating n number of objects so that you can access the class. Agreed? Do you all got the clarity? What is class and what is object?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, technically, what is a class? Now we are going to talk about technical. Technically, what is class? Can anyone tell me? Very simple. Answer is class is a class contains
Collection of variables, method.
constructors. Class contain constructor, variables, methods, properties, etc. These are all the 4 things across your project you are going to use. Nothing more than that. If you create any class, you should understand what is constructor, you should understand what is variable, you should understand what is a method, you should understand what is a property. Apart from that, nothing is there. Okay. Let's see here in the program, I created a method. Am I right? Is it a blueprint of a class? Arithmetic is a class, add is a method. So can I write a method within a class or outside a class?
Within the class.
Within the class. Now to access this method, I need to create a memory for the class. Understand my point? You are going to create a memory for the class. To create memory here, arithmetic equal to new of arithmetic. Okay, and then arithmetic dot add. Arithmetic dot add console dot readline. Clear? You create an arithmetic class. Now put a breakpoint. Try to start a program. Now you see, I got an arithmetic. Right now the variable arithmetic is null or having a value. Variable arithmetic having a null or value. It is null. Now I try to run. See the program. Welcome to iTalks technology method is executed. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is how you have to create a memory for a class. I will detailedly explain what is class and how to do all those things. Just now for accessing the method. Now in this method, am I passing any parameter?
No, sir.
Am I passing any value to the, see, this is called a, technically we will call this as a calling method. You are calling a method from outside. When you go here, go to implementation, this we will call it as a called method. This terminology I will speak in later point of time, calling method, called method. So be careful. Any method you are calling from outside, you are accessing outside, we will call this as a calling method. Any method we are having within a class, we will call it as a called method. Or you got my point? This called method will execute the functionality and tell this guy saying that I completed my functionality. Got the point, everybody?
Oh,
Can you
Abdul,
please
Prasanna
explain
Kumar,
the
Das.
yes.
yeah. Yeah, sir. Can you
So,
please explain the line number 9?
no, forget about this one. I will come back.
Okay.
What you are expecting from the exam? See, I'm creating a memory for the class arithmetic, Bhagya.
Yeah, but
I'm creating a
arithmetic.
memory for the class arithmetic. Okay. And once I
Okay.
create the memory, that memory will be holded by a variable arithmetic. Okay.
Okay. From arithmetic is a class name. So from using class name, you have to create a one variable that is small a means arithmetic, and
This is variable, local variable for
okay.
a class arithmetic.
Okay.
Got
And
it?
is yeah, yeah, okay.
And then
And
once you create the memory,
mm,
this memory will try to call a method. Now, if you go here, you say, I'm
mm,
simply saying null. Still the code is working, but when you run, it will throw error. What is the error it is throwing?
still null reference exception.
That means you are not creating a memory for the class. Simply it
Yes.
is a null. It doesn't have any memory. If you don't have any memory, can I access this method within that memory? RAM required this method should be executed in a memory. Am I right? See, you are
Yes.
declaring a variable. When you declare a variable, that RAM is going to hold some memory for that. Am I right?
Yes.
Similar fashion, when you are running a program, class required a memory. Class required a memory.
Mm,
If your class required a memory, do you need to create memory for that class?
yes, it is required.
Everybody, do you need to create a memory for the class or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have a memory, will the method will execute or will the method can be accessed? No,
No.
because I'm not creating a space. What I need to do? I need to create a memory first. I need to create a memory first. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to create memory with the help of new operator. New is a keyword, will help you to create a memory. I will explain that. Don't worry about it. Now coming to the method. Okay. Now the method is having a value. Are you passing any parameter to the method?
No. No.
No.
Are you retrieving any value from the method?
No, sir.
No.
So can I say a method without parameter and return type should have a signature public void add. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the second point is I want to pass a method with the parameter and without return type. I want to pass a parameter, but I don't want to return any value back to the calling method. How do I do that? Now in the same program, in the add method, go to definition. Can I pass a value to this method? When I pass a value, I'm saying string name. I want to welcome you all with some name. I say hi like this. So can I use the name here?
Mm, yes. Mm,
Can I use a name like this?
no.
So what will happen? If I pass a name Narendra here, hi Narendra, welcome to ITAS Technologies. Now go here in the program. See, this guy is throwing an error. When I build, it will throw error. What is the error it is saying? Read
No
the error.
argument.
Hmm?
No argument is given.
No argument given that correspond to the parameter name. Are we passing any argument in the program?
Yeah,
No. So
no.
what do we need to do? I want to pass
Single
Narendra.
no.
Understand my point? If I pass Narendra, this add method will come with this name. That name will be printed and sent back. So, is this a method with the parameter or not? A
Yes.
method with parameter or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the called a method with parameter. A method with parameter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to have one more option. Third option, method with parameter and with return type. See, here I'm printing the value, right? But I don't want to print this value. I want to form this value and send back to the user. How do I do that? Now I am going to say here string. Will it require a string to return? I'm getting a value of string. I'm concatenating that string. See, name underscore name equal to, I pass here like this, name. I'm going to return the name back. Okay. Now what I'm going to do in the program.cs file, I'm going to print string underscore name equal to, I'm going to print the name console dot write line underscore name dot toString. Logically, it is correct. Now you see, I put a breakpoint, try to run a program. Now I'm passing Narendra to the add method. Now you see Narendra name. Currently name is having a Narendra. This Narendra is going to replace with the entire text. Now you see. Now I got hi Narendra. Welcome to. Text is formed or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
After concatenating, I'm returning this Narendra. Now the variable is holding the same value. I'm printing here. Understand? So can I say a method with a parameter and return type? Is it correct? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Deepak,
Yes.
Das, Shanmugasundaram, Rishi, Shikhar Rahman, Surya
Yes, sir.
Prakash, Ubaid Syed Ubaid.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Pune.
Pune. Fine. You got it right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now coming to the program.cs file here, I'm just taking this one. I am having a method like this. Now, what is the last way? Last combination. What is your fourth combination? Method without parameter and with return type. It doesn't have a parameter, but it is returning a return type. How do I do that? Same logic, how do I build that? Here, simply I remove this. I say Narendra. Okay, and I'm removing this variable. Well, I'm getting the same value or a different value? Say yes or no. Here, I want to declare the variable name. Okay, now go back to the program.cs file. I'm not going to pass this value. I'm just calling a method. Now you see the same thing will happen. It doesn't receiving any parameter, but it will returning a value back to you. See, name is null, executed, returning back. I receive a name, printing. Is it correct? Everybody. Das M. Mr. Das M.
Yes, it's right.
Okay. Now, this is how you have to implement a method. Anybody have any questions? Feel free to ask. Now, this method doesn't have a parameter, but have a return type. Now, you all understand what is a class and what is an object?
Yes.
You all
Yes.
understand what is a method?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we are going to deeply talk about a class. Tomorrow we are going to deeply talk about new keyword, new keyword which is there, right? You are having a new, right? It is
Yes.
a keyword. I will talk about this keyword. I talk about this method also. It is a constructor. I will explain. So do you all understand what is a method? Why do we need a method?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes or no? Without a method, can I execute any program?
No, sir.
Sir, I have one. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, can we perform a method in a program.cs file, or always we have to need another program,
What
another
is
file?
this? What is this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, static void main string argument.
Is it a method or
It's
something else?
Method.
the main method.
Main method.
Main is a method which will act as an entry point of project. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is also a method. You can write a method here also, but always a right practice in the program main method class. You should have only one main method. You should not write multiple methods in the same class, because this is your entry point. Your code is not clean. So always you have to maintain to go and create a separate class. You need to access it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Shikhar Raman.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Das.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it.
That main is also method you'll be going to discuss tomorrow.
Main we already discussed.
Okay.
You can go through the YouTube. If you want, I can explain once again.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Anything else? I think who asked that main method? Shikhar Raman, you are or someone else?
I asked only.
Okay. Where are you from, Shikhar?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Clear, right? So tomorrow
Yes.
we are going to talk about what is class, what is object, what is a basic constructor. Day after tomorrow onwards, we will talk about one by one constructor. We will actually slowly getting into object-oriented programming. Do you all agree? Do you all agree or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Clear enough.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me stop the recording.